Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to talk about 6 types of kisses and what they really mean. Maybe you have already experienced some of them and you might also have an idea how they should be done. But did you also know that each type has a meaning? Kissing is a way of expressing our feelings, our love, and care for other people. It could be a friendly kiss, a familial kiss, or a romantic kiss. But let's focus on romantic kisses. These kisses are done by couples. These could be light kisses or intimate kisses that give you the feeling of butterflies in your stomach. Let's get into it. Number 1. Peck kiss. Peck kisses are usually done for first kisses or for couples who have just recently begun a relationship. It's a simple and light kiss done with closed and slightly puckered lips. This is just a quick kiss, but it can already express love and affection to your partner. It is usually for a greeting, like a hello or goodbye. However, a peck kiss is also special because it means respect, admiration, and of course, love. Didn't you know that peck kisses are also important in relationships? If you're just starting to date your partner or you're both new to a relationship, you might still feel awkward and shy. It's like a frustrating yet beautiful feeling that pushes you to express your love to your partner. Of course, you don't want to rush, so you start on a simple peck kiss. These peck kisses are just so beautiful. Other couples still do it even if they've already been in a relationship for a long time. Some partners will still feel awkward, shy, or uncomfortable when it comes to kissing, so their partners will just do a simple peck kiss on their lips that means respect. It is like saying, "It's okay, I'm willing to wait." Number 2. French kiss. French kisses are the passionate type of kiss. It's like a slow burning sensation that leads to intimacy. Honestly, it's romantic. This kiss is usually done in makeout sessions or even during sex. It's a kiss that requires you to open your mouth and use the tongue a lot. It is also usually used on outer course, or more commonly known as foreplay. There's a lot of French kissing with a bit of touching. People say that French kissing is the most romantic kiss. Do you agree with this? Have you already experienced this with your partner? This kiss is usually done in relationships that have already existed for a long time. It could fire up the mood, and this kiss could lead to something deeper or to something more. If you often do French kissing with your partner, it means that you feel a strong desire and attraction. It's a kiss that is intense and passionate. Are you aware that it could also burn calories? French kissing means strong affection, desire, and love. If your partner does it with you, he surely wants you. Both of you will feel the heated pleasure caused by kissing each other by returning and receiving sweet, hot, and wet kisses with your warm love. Number 3. Cheek kiss. A cheek kiss is a simple and sweet type of kiss. It is frequently used for a greeting. In some countries, just like the peck kiss, they also use cheek kisses to say hello and goodbye to a friend, acquaintance, family, and sometimes to a stranger. It's a light kiss that doesn't cause a burning sensation. Cheek kisses are simple kisses just the way they are. If you're still hesitating, not comfortable, shy, or awkward to kiss your partner, you can start kissing him on the cheek. It's not that bad to do it. It solely means gratitude, love, and affection. Of course, it's a kiss that expresses your feelings and emotions to other people, so it's not that terrible to do it with your partner. Number 4. Forehead kiss. A forehead kiss indicates respect, care, strong love, and a promise. It's a sign of sincerity. Trust is truly developed when your partner kisses you on the forehead. It's a strong show of affection that even without words, a forehead kiss could mean, "I love you no matter what." Sometimes a forehead kiss can make you feel butterflies in your stomach. a spark in your existence. Did your partner ever do this to you? Then you are lucky. A forehead kiss means something divine that probes deep into your soul. When he kisses you on the forehead, it means that he will always be there for you and will always love you with all his heart. Sometimes, lovers prefer to do it than say the magical 3 words. Well, we couldn't blame them because we strongly believe in the norm. Actions speak louder than words, don't we? Number 5. Neck kiss. Neck kisses are pleasurable kisses that happen in makeout sessions and during sex. These kisses are really intimate and erotic because it really turns you on when you are being kissed on the neck. Some people really love neck kisses because it's their fetish, a fantasy during sexual activity. Both men and women love it when their partners kiss their necks with their hot and wet tongues. Sometimes, they prefer having love bites or hickeys. There's no pressure when it comes to neck kisses. However, some people are uncomfortable with neck kisses because they might be afraid of the marks that can be left out on their skin. Hickeys are really visible because it's a red mark and sometimes it's big. Although neck kisses can be really frustrating, they can really make you feel good. Just a heads up, if your partner kisses you passionately and suddenly lowers his kisses on your neck, it could be a sign that that simple makeout could lead to something more. Number 6. Hand kiss. A very light type of kiss. This isn't on the lips, but the kiss is on the hands. Just like with a forehead kiss, a hand kiss serves as a promise, respect, and love for your partner. It's a romantic gesture by men that aims to charm a girl's heart. In formal events, a hand kiss is a gesture of greeting someone. If you ever experienced this, I think you can relate to the feeling of being respected, honored, and valued. Have you seen the Titanic movie when Jack kissed Rose's hand? As if you were Rose, you feel the strong affection and sincerity of Jack towards Rose. Hand kissing can also be a form of communication, like expressing a man's intentions toward a woman. It doesn't only happen in movies, but also in real life. There are many types of kisses out there, but these 6 are the most common, yet the most important kisses that can be done in a relationship. Kissing is a form of connection to your partner by expressing your emotions and feelings. It has many types, many ways to do it, and it has many meanings. But it only has one aim: to seal your love to the person you love the most. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.